guys, Nick HC here. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my workshop / basement. So, here we go. You go down the steps into here. Right here we have like 70-year-old pickles or something like that. And an unidentified blob. So, yeah. So, the big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It's not much, but it's a nice little place. I got a lot of tools over here. I got a lot of things to work with. And a lot of stuff stored down here. This for something else that I'll show probably later. And yeah, it's pretty nice. We got a little view of ferns over there. We got a nice little light here. Let me turn on that so I can work. I don't know. But yeah, out here, you can go out here, and bam, you're outside. You got ferns, little moss garden thing. I don't know, it's pretty. Boop, boop. It's pouring right now. Well, not really pouring, but let's go see the pond. Okay, yeah, it is pouring. Wow. I'm gonna try and not get my phone wet, but we'll see. Here we go. Sorry about my finger over the lens. I have my hand over the top of the phone, or over the top of my phone, so it doesn't get wet. Here we are at the pond. We got the float in. Salamanders around here probably. I can't see anything. Water's being weird, but yeah. It's raining. And yeah. Yeah, this is kind of like a little quick video. I don't know what else to do, so I decided I'd do this. Man, it's cold out here. Jeez, the door won't close. There we go. I am very wet. And yeah, so it's pretty much the end of the video. I don't know what else to do, so. But yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. And like, subscribe, all that stuff. Turn on notifications. Share the video. And thanks for watching. See ya.